Welcome to the Office of Faith-Based Initiatives Peer Reviewer SAGE Technical Assistance webinar. My name is Kaisha Harris Hood. I will be your host for this webinar. This webinar will provide technical assistance to OFBI peer reviewers evaluating and rating applications. During this webinar, you will learn how to access, review, and print the application, locate the forms, rating sheets, record your evaluation comments, preliminary scores, and recommendations for funding via the System for Administering Grants Electronically, also known as SAGE. SAGE is an internet-based granting platform that allows the Office of Faith-Based Initiatives to administer and monitor its grants electronically. The SAGE website is www.sage.nj.gov. SAGE can be used with Windows, Macintosh, Safari, and Android, and is accessible through the World Wide Web. SAGE is compatible with Internet Explorer. Do not use Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. SAGE is not compatible with either of these platforms. You must have Adobe Acrobat Reader to view and print any documents. To navigate in SAGE, please do not use the back browser buttons. Use the hovering method to guide you. Lastly, click the Save button at any chance you get. SAGE is temperamental. To log into SAGE, type your username and password and click Login. If you have forgotten your username or password, click the Forgot Username Password link below. If you forgot your username, click the Forgot Username link. Enter your email address associated with your SAGE account and click the Email Me my username link below. The system will send your username to your email. Click the System Login tab at the top and type your username and password to log in. If you forgot your password, enter your username and email address and click the Reset My Password and email me the new one. The system will send you a temporary password. Copy the temporary password, then click the System Login link, type your username, paste your password into the password link, and click Login. It is very important that you write down your information and keep it in a safe place for future use. So we're going to type in our username and password to log in. After 3 attempts, you will be automatically locked out and SAGE will reset your username and password in 15 minutes. So once you have logged in, you will see the main menu that consists of My Inbox and My Tasks. Under My Tasks, you will see the OFBI Social Innovation 2020 Special Projects, Project Atlas, or Social Enterprise Entrepreneurial Development 2020. Click your respective link. And it will expand and you will see your assigned applications to review. To view each application, click the grant ID number that takes you to the menu. At the top, you will see the many options available to you. To print the application, hover over the Management Tools link, Select the Create Full PDF version. The document will download. Select Open to view and print the document. To view your application, hover over the Forms menu link. You can press any desired page link to open up to that desired page. You can also PDF and print a page by selecting the print version link above. To locate the rating sheet, hover over the Forms menu, scroll down to the bottom. You will find the rating sheet link. Click on the rating sheet link. Make sure to check the applicant name and category to make sure that it is associated with your respective categories. Then you will see each section of the applications and its value. Read each question to determine if the applicant answered the question based on the criteria of the guidelines. You're going to provide a score based on the merit of the answer under the preliminary rating column. Scores are rated in increments of 0.5, and a score of 0 means the question was not answered. We will discuss all zeros. After you have entered your numerical scores, you're going to type comments below and click the Save button. NA or not applicable is not an acceptable comment. So for each section, as you scroll down, you're going to enter a numerical score for each question based on the criteria of the guidelines and provide comments for each section. Once you have completed this, do not forget to hit Save. If you navigate away from this page without hitting Save, you will lose all of your scores and have to re-enter them again. At the bottom, under Rating Sheet Total, Sage will automatically calculate your preliminary rating scores entered and provide you with the total here. Based on that total, you must then provide strengths and weaknesses of the application and determine if funding is available, do you recommend this applicant? From the drop-down box, you're going to select yes or no and click Save. Complete this process for each application. To return to the main menu or My Tasks, we're going to scroll back up to the top. We're going to click the Home tab over to your left. And it will take you back to the main menu or your My Tasks, where you can then select the next application for your review. And you'll do this for each application. This concludes this webinar. Should you have any additional questions, please do not hesitate contacting the Office of Faith-Based Initiatives. at 609-58984-6952. Thank you for your time and patience. We look forward to seeing each of you at deliberations.